We are an endangered species, you and I.
There's something happening here.
We, lovers of speed. We, devotees of power, performance, and noise.
I got to beware. I think it's time we stop, children. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.
Go away, we are told, and take your carbon fibre and your fire-spitting V12s with you. There's hardly a place for us out here anymore. Not in this growing age of safety and restraint, where practicality trumps adrenaline, where the ratio of miles to the gallon is championed over horsepower to the weight.
From behind, stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.
And yet, there is hope. There is a safe haven. A place where we are free to challenge conventions, push the laws of physics and drive our powerful, our beautiful machines hard.
Puntare per poi accelerare è un allenamento mentale.
Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down.
They represent the glory of technology, the essence of freedom, and have been the weapons in some of our most gripping sporting battles. They grip us, they cheer us on, they hold us up as heroes. So this is about the love of all things four-wheeled and fast. This is a shrine to power, to speed, to metal made beautiful.
We better stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look. Stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going. We better stop now. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going. We better stop. Children, what's that sound?
Così un millesimo di secondo puoi farlo durare per sempre.